Hey everyone, this is Science of Science Expert 117. Today I'm going to teach you how to create Fiverr account on your mobile phone. This method is a little bit different and a little bit surprising, but you're gonna love the results. This video helps you in creating Fiverr account through activating seller account. I'll show you how to create Fiverr account using two methods. Number one, create your Fiverr account using your email address, or you can log in into your Fiverr account using Google sign-in method. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Then type in fiverr.com. From Fiverr's homepage, click join. Enter your email address and click continue. Choose your username, your password, and click join. You are now registered. Congratulations. Check your registered email address as you will receive an email to activate your account, which will say click activate your account. Now after clicking that button, your Fiverr account is successfully created. Now move on to the second method, how to create your Fiverr account using Google, Facebook, or Apple Connects. Yes, you can also join with Facebook, Google, and Apple Connects. For this, click on Continue with Google. It will show you all your Google accounts in case you have more than one account. Click on any one of them and here you go. Now move on to the seller account or seller activating account. To activate your seller account, just click on switch to seller account. Now you have all done. Your final step is to create your gig. Let me show in the comment section below if you have successfully created your account. I would love to see your comments. And also let me know on what topics do you want videos so that I can try my best for you.